Hey everybody, I am super excited as I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony ZV1. Super delighted, super excited because being one of the first people in the UK to actually receive delivery, I just can't wait.
One eternity later.
Right, so this is the box we will be opening. Wow. Here we go. This is it. This is, wow. Beautiful casing. It opens up and you can do selfie mode, it can turn around, it can be shot, which is amazing. What else comes into the box? Let's have a look. Oops, it's a charging cable. Here we have a charging cable, and then we have this microphone. So I think what we do is we take this out of here, and this can be slotted in completely, which is... I'm also going to unbox the Sony wireless grip. So let's have a look. And here we are, which it has great legs, a remote control, and it's completely wireless. It's quite easy for us to do this. Twist on, twist on, twist on, and here we go. So this camera now is mounted on the grip. You will see that it has a recording feature for a video camera and also taking photographs, which is great, onto one stick. The grip really is a very comfortable grip. It's slightly tilted to an angle, and it also does act as a tripod too. When you turn this way, you will see the features in terms of recording. You are able to pull out the camera, which is fantastic, and you can actually flip this in any direction, which is a wonderful feature. Now, if I turn this around, you can actually see the lens, which is great. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will look forward to sharing all of my videos taking from the new Sony ZV1. Thank you for watching.